Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Binance. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Tap open your Binance application and make sure that you're logged in. Once you are, from the main home page, tap on the yellow button at the bottom of the screen. Now, in the pop-up, tap on Buy. Go ahead and choose the cryptocurrency that you'd like to purchase on Binance. You can type it in or select one of the crypto from the top search category. Since I would like to buy some Bitcoin today, let me tap on Bitcoin. You can select any cryptocurrency that you would like to purchase according to your choice. Now, type in the amount of Bitcoin that you'd like to purchase in the text box that appears at the top. You can select your currency that you'd like to use by tapping on the USD and selecting one of the currency from the options. Finally, tap the Buy button at the bottom of the screen in yellow in order to go ahead and purchase your cryptocurrency. Choose the mode of payment from the options displayed by giving them a tap and tap on Confirm at the lower right hand corner in yellow. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to buy crypto on Binance quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.